Hey you guys, welcome back to chiqblend. So today we are going to be doing our first vlog ever. Dun dun dun. So Qui's actually getting dressed right now and I am ready to go. So I just thought I would just give you guys a little bit of an intro. So today we are going to be doing some shopping downtown Chicago. If you guys have never been, you got to check it out. Chicago is so freaking beautiful. We're going to go to dinner, our number one thing to do. And then I bought Qui a Fendi bag for her birthday. So she's going to take that back to Fendi and just has a little bit of issues going on with it. So she's going to see how their customer service is, if they can actually solve the issues. And she's going to let you guys know if their customer service is A1 sauce. So let's go. Okay guys, we just went to Fendi and this is the little bag they gave me.
Are you looking at this?
Yes.
Okay.
Just went to Fendi. The customer service seemed kind of nice. They told me
kind of nice.
He was kind of nice. He acted like he didn't see what was wrong with my damn bag, didn't he? He's like, well, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you see what I'm talking about. Anyway, he seemed kind of nice. He told me he was gonna call me in a couple of days. So that is what is going to happen. And now we're gonna go to we may go to Hermes and then Louis Vuitton and then Bloomingdale. So
and then dinner, hopefully.
And then dinner and then the movies. Okay.
Hello. Hi. Oh, can we pet him?
Oh yeah, and show yourself.
Oh my
Ladies
God.
love cool Ben.
He is beautiful.
Oh.
What kind of dog is he?
Pomeranian.
Oh my gosh, he is so cute.
Oh, you guys are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You have a good day.
Have a good
Bye,
day.
Ben.
He's so cute. So you guys, we are on our way to Sprinkles Cupcakes, and this is like the best cupcake place in Chicago.
Well, not the best. Brown sugar is the best.
Oh yeah, we gotta go to Brown Sugar. Okay, you guys, so we just made it to the Grand Lux Cafe on the Magnificent Mile. This is like one of our favorite restaurants, and we freaking love eating here. So once our food comes out, we're just gonna show you guys what we got.
Hey guys, we just made it to dinner. We're at the Grand Lux Cafe, as Reese said before. We just met up with our friend Kasey, and her boyfriend Phill is coming. So, Kasey, do you want to say hi to the vlog? This is our best friend Kasey.
I just love them so much.
Oh my goodness. And then this is our friend Phill.
Hey y'all, what's going on?
Oh snap! This is the real estate duo of Chicago. So if you're ever looking for a place to stay, they got you.
Oh my goodness, we do. Cities, suburbs, anywhere in Chicago. Holla at us.
Oh, holla at 'em.
Okay, you guys, so this is our first appetizer, and it's the buffalo chicken rolls. So delicious. We got ranch sauce, hot sauce, a little bit of celery. Yeah, baby.
Thank you. Okay guys, this is the meal. We actually ended up ordering the shrimp scampi.
Right.
Okay guys, that will be the end of our vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Oh, and follow us on chiqblend on Instagram as well. We'll leave the link down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.